Editor 2024, the most powerful editor in the world. First, I will teach you how to edit photos, and then I will teach you how to make 8K, 4K, 3D photos, how to make a logo, and how to convert text into photos. Hello to my genius and flower friends. Welcome to Editor Girlich channel. It is not a coincidence that you chose me, because nothing happens. I will teach you the easiest way to edit photos without any skills. You just need to pay attention. Well, let's start. Open the picsart program. On the very first page, you will be offered some edits. You can choose one of these suggested edits. And you can also search the edit page you want from the search section above. For example, Scary Edit, YouTube Edit, Instagram Edit. Well, I have already selected the edits and saved them in the saved section. You can do the same thing, after you have chosen the edit you want. Now do the things that I do in order and edit to your taste as simply and in 5 minutes. If you have any questions or need help, comment. I will surely answer you, dear ones. You know, my friend, if you do not subscribe to my channel will not grow and I will have to delete it. Thanks to all of you who support me.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your...
Now, to create the desired photo or logo, we go to the text to photo conversion section. And you write the text you want and touch the photo generation option. As simple as that.
Your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.